Ah, there it is, the 8N. My plow tractor. As you can see, I was very diligent this year about putting the snowplow on. I'm sure that'll bite me in the butt. This was originally 6 volt and is still originally 6 volt. It does have a different generator on it. It actually came out of the Ford car. It's a 30 amp generator instead of the original 11 amp generator. Now, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I mucked with the carburetor and it tends to flood itself out, so I probably will put it back eventually. I mucked with the carburetor to make it run better in the summer. And now I don't like to start in the winter. This is a pain in the neck. But it ain't been running a long time. Since the last major snow. Ah, you bastard. Come on. Now the battery's going to give up. And then I'll have to put the charger on it. I think that's it. Yeah. That's it. Charger time. Well, the charger's been on it. Let's see. Never know if it's flooded or if it needs the choke. Oh, I should push the clutch in, that'll help. Yeah, definitely flooded. Boy, that training oil is thick. Well, there's that.